Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Are you coming to the U.S. as an RN? What does that involve? Well, first of all, an RN is one of the designated positions that does not have to do a perm. Okay, for employment-based visas, for the most part, you have to do a perm, which shows there's no available U.S. workers for the position. And with a nurse, with an RN, you don't have to do that. By law, it has been designated to be in shorter supply, and therefore it falls under what's called a Schedule A designation. Now, there are other ones, such as physical therapists, that's also Schedule A. But what happens is you file what's called the I-140 and the Schedule A designation for the RN. You have to show that you meet all the requirements, whether it's passing the CGFNS in your home country, which essentially means that you've passed the English and the requirements such that when you get to the United States and take the NCLEX, that it is more likely than not you will pass it and become an RN. And then you, of course, need to have a petitioner. You need to work for the petitioner full-time, and it needs to be as an RN. It can't be as an LVN. It can't be as a nursing assistant. It must be as an RN. Okay? Even if you're in management, that is not under Schedule A. So once you get that and get it approved, then you have to do consulate processing, and that eventually allows you to come in. Now, a Schedule A nurse petition would be under EB3, okay, employment-based third preference. And so if there is a backlog of availability, which, in years past, there's been large backlogs from, for example, the Philippines, India, China. The Philippines sent tons of nurses here. And in years past, like 30 years ago, it was very quick, very easy. But that, of course, has changed. So if it is filed properly, you have to wait until the visa number becomes current, unless it already is, and then you can do consulate processing. So it's nothing that takes overnight. From beginning to end, you're looking at 2 to 3 years to get everything to go through. Okay?